Hey guys, Andrew here from Fairweather Farm, and today it is pouring rain. We've got 40 to 50 millimeters of rain in the next 2 days. So yesterday I got a bunch of work done outside. I got a silage tarp put up, I got 100 rock bags made. But today, it looks like we're going to be working inside. And since the greenhouse is full, we've got everything seeded that we needed for right now at least, until we need to do the other generations and such. As you can see in the back, I'm starting to pull this silage tarp off, and once I get this bad boy out of the way, I'm gonna dig a trench 50 feet down the middle of the greenhouse to connect to the other drain tile that I've already put going around the side of the seating tables. We're gonna put a T, and we're gonna send all that water out the side of the greenhouse. All right, let's get that tarp off. Andrew here from Fairweather Farm. We're out here in Papineauville. It's Friday, April 8th, and as you can see, we are just getting the tile drain into the middle of the greenhouse. It's already full of water just from last night. We did get a lot of rain. It just shows that the trench is already working even before we even put the drain in. So I'm gonna get it to the length that I need to connect it, maybe a bit extra just in case. And we're gonna need a T to connect it to the other drain. We will connect it and then we'll bury the whole pipe. So I'm just gonna get it cut to length, put it all nice in. I can bury all of the pipe all the way up here to the connection, and then I'm gonna need to go to the co-op, grab a T connector, and then I will connect it in the trench, get it all buried up. And then the last step will be to get the exit of our first drain out of the greenhouse, and then we're gonna need to dig a trench on the outside and get that going probably 10 or 15 feet away from the greenhouse. We're going to try and drain it into another outside drain and get it out of the fields.